no other place on earth, a land of vibrant contrasts, timeless wonders, and boundless energy. Here is what makes India extraordinary and sets it apart. 1. A land where time travels. Imagine walking through streets where ancient temples meet gleaming skyscrapers. India's history spans over 5,000 years, blending ancient wisdom like the Vedas with modern marvels like the Chandrayaan-3 moon landing. 2. Festival every day. India's calendar is bursting with joy. From the explosive colors of Holi to the sparkling lights of Diwali, every celebration is a riot of music, dance, and flavors. You can literally party all year round. 3. The spice capital of the world. Every Indian dish is an adventure. Butter chicken, biryani, and chaat are just starters. Each state has its own culinary symphony. And don't forget, India gave the world spices, making bland food exciting forever. 4. Yoga, India's gift to the world. From the peaks of the Himalayas to your yoga mat, India is the birthplace of yoga, a global wellness revolution. Combine it with Ayurveda, and you've got ancient secrets to a healthier, happier life. 5. Global Language Lab. India speaks more than 1,600 languages. Whether it's Hindi, Tamil, or Sanskrit, the diversity is dazzling. Plus, where else can you hear 5 different languages in one street market? 6. Where religions were born. India isn't just a country, it's the cradle of Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, and Sikhism. Sacred places like Varanasi, Bodh Gaya, and Amritsar offer peace seekers a spiritual high like nowhere else. 7. Monuments straight out of fairy tales. From the breathtaking Taj Mahal, a symbol of eternal love, to the mystical Ajanta and Ellora caves, India's architectural wonders are stories carved in stone, waiting to enchant you. 8. Tech superpower with ancient roots. India doesn't just live in the past, it shapes the future. From leading the IT revolution to sending rockets to the moon and Mars, India has tech dreams as big as its history. 9. The world's largest democracy. Democracy in action here is like no other. With 900 plus million voters, India's elections are a festival of their own, powered by unity in diversity, innovation, and a vision for the future. 10. Nature like nowhere else. From the snowy Himalayas to the golden sands of Rajasthan, from the lush backwaters of Kerala to the tiger-inhabited forests, India's landscapes are as diverse as its people. Nature lovers, rejoice! India is not just